Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. This video is all about our small fish culture at home. And this video was recorded during our vacations on a very fine day when we were planning to harvest the fish and make a grilling. Here are some few clips of a fish tank. It was really a leisure time to feed the fish and spend time with them. And here are a few clips which were recorded during a harvest. Towards sunset, we selected few of the fishes that were to be caught and kept them in a separate section in the same tank. This was done so that on the next day, during the daytime, it won't be a hassle to catch them. Since they were in the same tank, they soon got adjusted and started behaving fairly well. Then on the next day, towards early noontime, we were ready to harvest the fishes. And we could easily catch them using a simple wired net. And that was real fun harvesting the fishes. These fishes were bought when they were too small, maybe an inch in size or so. And it took about 4 to 5 months to grow to this size. Mostly they were fed on aquatic plants, grass and leaves. And once in a day they were given the fish feed. So here we have got a batch of large fishes. And now it's time to clean and prepare them. So in the meantime, let's make a quick marinade. Into a grinder jar, I'm adding few dried red chilies. Add chopped ginger, garlic, and few fresh chilies. Then I'm adding few fresh curry leaves, turmeric powder, and salt as per taste. Into this, I'm also adding lime juice. And lastly, some cooking oil. Now let's blend them together to make a fine and smooth paste. So this is the consistency of the marinade. And here we have the fishes which are cleaned and ready to be marinated. Let's apply the marinade on each of them. Coat them generously on both the sides. And then keep to rest for 15 to 30 minutes. After the resting time, let's set them one by one on the grill rack. And now they are all set for grilling. Here we have made a quick and temporary grill setup. So let's keep the fishes to grill. This was such an amazing and interesting part of our vacations, as we were caught at home during the lockdown. Turn on the grill rack few times so that both the sides are cooked well. You can also apply oil or butter to keep them moist and to give an additional flavor. It was a good pastime to catch the fishes and grill them right away. And when all the big fishes were done, the tank was replaced with smaller ones for the next harvest. When both the sides are done, remove them from the heat. And then gently take them off the grill rack. And it's time to serve. We had a good time fishing and grilling at home during the vacations. You can also do the same if you're interested with fish culture as a pastime. Though it requires a little of patience and a lot of care for the fishes till they grow. But it's really interesting and easy to make a fish culture at home. Hope you enjoyed being with us. Thank you and see you in our next video.